Hello friends, welcome to our video. How to boost your memory. Presented by Healing Health. Tip 1. Give your brain a workout. By the time you've reached adulthood, your brain has developed millions of neural pathways that help you process and recall information quickly, solve familiar problems, and execute habitual tasks with a minimum of mental effort. But if you always stick to these well-worn paths, you aren't giving your brain the stimulation it needs to keep growing and developing. You have to shake things up from time to time. Tip 2. Don't skip the physical exercise. While mental exercise is important for brain health, that doesn't mean you never need to break a sweat. Physical exercise helps your brain stay sharp. It increases oxygen to your brain and reduces the risk for disorders that lead to memory loss, such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Exercise also enhances the effects of helpful brain chemicals and reduces stress hormones. Perhaps most importantly, exercise plays an important role in neuroplasticity by boosting growth factors and stimulating new neuronal connections. Brain-boosting exercise tips. Aerobic exercise is particularly good for the brain, so choose activities that keep your blood pumping. In general, anything that is good for your heart is great for your brain. Does it take you a long time to clear out the sleep fog when you wake up? If so, you may find that exercising in the morning before you start your day makes a big difference. In addition to clearing out the cobwebs, it also primes you for learning throughout the day. Physical activities that require hand-eye coordination or complex motor skills are particularly beneficial for brain building. Exercise breaks can help you get past mental fatigue and afternoon slumps. Even a short walk or a few jumping jacks can be enough to reboot your brain. Tip 3. Lawn mowing. The grass is always greener, and the brain may be sharper after we mow the lawn. One study found lawn mowing releases a chemical that relieves stress and might even boost memory in older adults. Unfortunately, the odor of taking out the trash probably doesn't have the same effect. Tip 4. Avoid stress. Stress is one of the brain's worst enemies. Over time, chronic stress destroys brain cells and damages the hippocampus, the region of the brain involved in the formation of new memories and the retrieval of old ones. Studies have also linked stress to memory loss. Tips for managing stress: set realistic expectations and be willing to say no. Take breaks throughout the day. Express your feelings instead of bottling them up. Set a healthy balance between work and leisure time. Focus on one task at a time, rather than trying to multitask. Tip 5. Have a laugh. You've heard that laughter is the best medicine, and that holds true for the brain and the memory, as well as the body. Unlike emotional responses, which are limited to specific areas of the brain, laughter engages multiple regions across the whole brain. Laugh at yourself. Share your embarrassing moments. The best way to take ourselves less seriously is to talk about the times when we took ourselves too seriously. When you hear laughter, move toward it. Most of the time, people are very happy to share something funny because it gives them an opportunity to laugh again and feed off the humor you find in it. Spend time with fun, playful people. These are people who laugh easily, both at themselves and at life's absurdities, and who routinely find the humor in everyday events. Their playful point of view and laughter are contagious. Tip 6. Eat a brain-boosting diet. Just as the body needs fuel, so does the brain. You probably already know that a diet based on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, fish, and lean protein, will provide lots of health benefits, but such a diet can also improve memory. For brain health, though, it's not just what you eat, it's also what you don't eat. The following nutritional tips will help boost your brain power and reduce your risk of dementia. Get your omega-3s. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial for brain health. Fish is a particularly rich source of omega-3, especially cold water fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, halibut, trout, mackerel, sardines, and herring. Eat more fruit and vegetables. Produce is packed with antioxidants, substances that protect your brain cells from damage. Colorful fruits and vegetables are particularly good antioxidant superfood sources. Drink green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect against free radicals that can damage brain cells. Among many other benefits, regular consumption of green tea may enhance memory and mental alertness and slow brain aging. Tip 7. Take practical steps to support learning and memory. Pay attention. You can't remember something if you never learned it, and you can't learn something, that is, encode it into your brain, if you don't pay enough attention to it. It takes about 8 seconds of intense focus to process a piece of information into your memory. If you're easily distracted, pick a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Involve as many senses as possible. Try to relate information to colors, textures, smells, and tastes. The physical act of rewriting information can help imprint it onto your brain. Even if you're a visual learner, read out loud what you want to remember. If you can recite it rhythmically, even better. Tip 8. Get your sleep. Sleep is required to consolidate memory and learning. If you don't get enough sleep, your gray matter volume in your frontal lobe may begin to decrease. Your frontal lobe supports and controls your working memory as well as executive function, making it particularly important. Get on a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed at the same time every night and get up at the same time each morning. Try not to break your routine, even on weekends and holidays. Avoid all screens for at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted by TVs, tablets, phones, and computers trigger wakefulness and suppress hormones such as melatonin that make you sleepy. Tip 9. Power naps. For those who didn't quite catch enough sleep last night, a power nap may be just the thing to help stay focused. It's unclear how long the nap should last. In one study, young adults who napped for 90 minutes showed significant improvements in memory. But other research suggests even naps that last a few minutes can increase alertness. On the other hand, some scientists say naps only improve memory if they involve dreaming. Tip 10. Video games. Guys who hang out in their basements playing Xbox games aren't just super cool. They may also be smarter than the rest of us. Some researchers suggest playing video games improves a number of cognitive skills, from vision to multitasking to spatial cognition. Tackle a game of Tetris for some mental exercise. Thank you for watching. Check out our more videos on brain's health. Please like and subscribe. That helps us a lot.